Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade cookies. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, in a large bowl, cream together your softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Now it's time to form your cookies. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. This ensures they have enough room to spread without touching. Bake in your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Don't overbake them. Once baked, let your delicious cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your cooled homemade cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 4 days. Enjoy your freshly baked treats.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.